Chapter 9 are food. Topics covered: food, food from plants, food from animals, nutrients in food, caring for plants and animals, sources of food for plants and animals. Our body is a wonderful machine. It needs food to do work. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. Food. Food such as fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oil seeds, and spices are grown by farmers in the fields. Without a farmer, we would have nothing to eat. He works hard in the field so that all of us get food to eat. He grows different crops in different seasons. A farmer prepares the soil by plowing the field and adding fertilizers to it. After sowing the seeds, he takes care of the crops. He waters the fields regularly. He protects the crops from insects, birds, and animals by watching over them day and night and spraying pesticides and insecticides. Food from plants. Plants are the primary sources of food for us. They give food in the form of fruits, vegetables, spices, oil seeds, beverages, and others. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Some fruits like lemon and orange are juicy and are called citrus fruits. Some fruits are dry and are eaten as dry fruits like walnut and cashew nut, etc. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables. Carrot and turnip are roots, cabbage and spinach are leaves, cauliflower and broccoli are flowers, onion and ginger are stems. They help us to stay healthy. They protect our body from disease. Different fruits and vegetables are available in different seasons. Cereals and pulses. We all have food grains in every meal or in our diet. The food grains include the cereals like wheat, rice, and corn. We also get pulses like arhar, moong, peas, grams, etc. from the plants. Spices. We use several herbs and spices. We get these herbs and spices from the plants. The spices add taste and flavor to our food. When we add elaichi or dalchini to tea, it adds flavor and taste. Some spices have medicinal value as well. Oil seeds. Oil seeds are the seeds that are used for extracting oil. Oil is essential for curries and for frying food. Groundnut, coconut, sunflower, mustard, and peanuts are some oil seeds. Beverages. Beverages include tea, coffee, and cocoa. They are used to make excellent refreshing drinks. In fact, people all over the world drink so much tea that it is called the queen of beverages. We also get sugar from sugarcane plant and sweet potato plant. Food from animals. We get food not only from the plants but also from animals. We get eggs, meat, etc. from the animals. We get flesh of animals like chicken, fish, and goat. We also eat eggs of hens and ducks. We get milk from animals like cow, buffalo, and goat. Milk products like cheese, ghee, and butter are also important foods. We get honey from the honeybee. It is sweet in taste. People who eat meat, eggs, fish, etc. are called non-vegetarians. Nutrients in food. Eating only one type of food will not give your body everything it needs to work, play, grow, and fight diseases. This is because your body needs different substances for doing different things. These substances are called nutrients. A nutrient is an important item needed to keep any living being alive and help it grow. Our body needs a large number of nutrients to keep itself healthy. Some nutrients give us energy, some help us to grow, and others protect our body from diseases. Carbohydrates. Energy is required to do all our day-to-day activities like walking, running, climbing, cycling, etc. This energy is provided by substance called carbohydrates that we get from foods like potatoes, bananas, sugar, and cereals. These foods give us all the energy needed to work or play. Proteins. Foods like milk, eggs, cheese, fish, meat, beans, and pulses are rich in proteins. Proteins are bodybuilding foods. They are needed by our body to build muscles, to grow, and to repair the tissues. Young children need more protein-rich food than the grown-up because their body parts need to get bigger. Fats. Fats give us more heat and energy than starch or sugar. Oils, nuts, and butter have fats in them. Fats help to keep our body warm. Extra fat is stored in the body for future use. Excess fats are harmful. It makes us fatty and leads to many diseases. Vitamins and minerals. Our body needs some food for protecting us from diseases and to keep us fit and healthy. These protective foods are called vitamins and minerals. Minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, iodine, and salt are needed in small amounts by different parts of our body. Calcium helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Iron is needed to form blood. Vitamins are needed to keep our body fit and protected from illness. Foods that fall in this category are green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, egg, etc. Apart from these nutrients, our body also needs two important things. They are water and roughage. Roughage. When we eat foods such as cereals, fresh vegetables, fruits and salads, not all of it is taken in by the body. Some part of them has no food value. This part is called roughage. Roughage cannot be digested. Its function is to move waste through the stomach and out of the body. So roughage is very important for us. Water. Besides these foods, water is very important for our body. Fruits and vegetables we eat contain some amount of water, but we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day to keep our body working properly. Water helps in keeping the body clean by flushing out waste material as urine. When water is lost from our body as sweat, it cools our body. Thus, water also controls our body temperature. Most food items contain water. 3/4 of our body weight is water. Fact file. Lack of iron in the body causes a disease called anemia. Caring for plants and animals. You have learned that we depend on plants and animals for our food. Just as we depend on plants and animals for our food, they also need us. We should take proper care of these plants and animals. We should not allow anyone to cut trees, give animals good food, clean water, and safe shelter. Give water and fertilizers to plants regularly. Take sick animals to a veterinary doctor for treatment. Sources of food for plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. Have you ever thought from where the plants and animals get their food? We know that plants make their own food. That is why they are called autotrophs. Plants make their food in the leaves. The leaves have a green colored substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight. Animals do not make their food. They depend on plants and other animals for their food. That is why they are called heterotrophs. On the basis of their food habits, we can classify them broadly into three groups. Some animals like cow and goat eat only plant foods like leaves and grass. Such animals are called herbivores, grass eaters. Some animals like lion and tiger eat only animal flesh for food. They cannot live on plant foods. These animals are called carnivores, meat eaters. Human beings and some other animals like crows can eat both plant food as well as animals' food. These are called omnivores, all eaters. A. Tick the